Hello everyone, welcome to TNT for NEET. In previous video I told you about rules for image formation. If you didn't watch yet, then click on I button. Today I'll discuss about image formation by concave mirror. Before I start, I tell you that by concave mirror there are 6 conditions to form image, and by convex mirror there are only 2 conditions by which image are formed. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first condition is when the object placed at infinity. Okay, the object is placed at infinity. So the image is formed near focus. Okay, the image is real, inverted, very small, and magnification is very less than 1. Before considering the next point, you should know that if there is a mirror, spherical mirror, there is a spherical mirror, all images on reflecting side are real. All the images on reflecting side are real, and all images behind the polished surface are virtual, and all the images above the principal axis are erect and below the principal axis are inverted. Okay, so come to the next point. So the second condition is object is placed between infinity and center of curvature. The image is here. Okay, between infinity and center of curvature. It is u is greater than 2f. The length from center to pole is 2f. It is greater than 2f. Okay, so for this, now I am going to tell you that how to draw the ray diagram and found the formed image. If there is a concave mirror and this is the principal axis, that is the center of curvature, and this focus, the condition is object is between infinity and center of curvature. Okay, so one ray is going parallel to the principal axis and come from focus. The second ray is come from center of curvature. The third ray is come from focus, and the fourth ray come from the pole. Okay, so the image is formed here. Okay, the image is on reflecting side, so real, and below the principal axis, so it is inverted. The size of image is small, and magnification is less than 1. Okay, hope you understand how to form the image. So come to the next point. And yeah, the image is formed between focus and center of curvature if the object is placed between infinity and center of curvature. Okay, so come to the next point. So the third point is the object is at center of curvature. So the first ray is parallel to the axis, the second ray is from focus, the third ray is from pole. Okay, so the image form at center of curvature. The image is at this side, at reflecting side, so real. It is below the principal axis, so inverted, and it is at the place center of curvature. It is at center of curvature and the size is equal as object. Okay, this is the third condition. When the object placed at center of curvature, so the image is formed at the center of curvature and the size is equal of object and image. Come to the next point. So the fourth condition is the object is placed between center of curvature and focus. First, parallel ray, second, from focus, third, from pole. Okay, this is the center of curvature. Okay, the image is formed between infinity and center of curvature. Okay, the image is real, inverted, larger than the object, and the magnification is more than 1, and the image formed between the infinity and center of curvature if the object is placed between focus and center of curvature. The image is formed between infinity and the center of curvature. So the next point is, so the fifth condition is the object is at focus. After covering all the 6 conditions, I will give you a tip by which it will become easier. Okay, so the fifth condition is the object is at focus. And okay, so the image is at infinity, the image is on this side, so real, inverted, very large in size, and the magnification is greater than more greater than 1. Okay, so come to the sixth and the last condition of concave mirror. So the sixth condition is the object is between focus and pole. Between focus and pole. So this is the parallel ray. This is from center of curvature. These are appears to meet here, and this is the image. Okay, the image is on polished side, so virtual. It is above the principal axis, so erect. And the size of image is larger than the object, so magnification is greater than 1, and the image is formed behind the mirror. This is the sixth and the last condition. These are all the six condition of image formation for concave mirror. So the tip is, as the object will come nearer to focus from infinity, the object is come nearer to focus, means in this condition at infinity, then between center of curvature and infinity, then at center of curvature, then between center of curvature and focus, and at focus. So as the object come nearer to the focus from infinity, the size of image become larger. Here the image is too small, then it will become larger. Okay, all the image from infinity to focus are real. When it come to the focus, all the 5 images are real and inverted, while the image between focus and pole is virtual and erect, and this only one image, okay, which is between focus and pole. There are all the 6 conditions of image formation by concave mirror. In my next video, we will discuss about image formation by convex mirror. Before watching these videos, you should know the rules for image formation. To watch the rules, click on this video, and for all short tricks, click on this playlist. And if you didn't start yet, then click on this video. We will meet in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.